Okay, we are making French toast. We got the milk and the eggs. To that consistency, I'm gonna put my oil in my pan. I chose oil, and I will put my bread in this mix that I made. Okay, the old-fashioned way. I'm gonna put it in the pan, just like that. I'll make more bread, put in the pan. I usually put all my milk on it like that. So this is what happens. Flip. I'll put the heat up a little. I want it all on my toast. Fry it up a little more. The sugar stayed in. I like the sugar too. It's gonna be big bread. Yep, it is big. Put on my plate like that. Ta-da! There we go. Cut it to put in the plate. This is what we made. Looks hot and yummy.